Okay, so I think I got what was going on, Manuel. It turns out I made a mistake somewhere. I couldn't figure out where until I remade the size parameter. So check this out. It turns out that size, we had made it with text, and that was supposed to be, actually, it was supposed to be a length. So that's why we were getting inconsistent units. Let me show you what I mean by that. All right. So, right now, as I go through and I try to make the size different here, so you see I got size. It's in as text. So if I change the formula for width, you'll see that as soon as I hit the tab key on my keyboard, I get the inconsistent units. All right, so everything seemed like it was right, and everything was. It still is. The problem is not the CSV. It's not even our formula. It's actually this text parameter. Okay, so to fix this, I just need to delete this size parameter here, which this makes sense. You'll see why here in a minute. If you're going to use a diameter parameter, for example, that's a length. So here I'll just remake the size parameter, and I'm just going to leave it as length. And instead of falling under the text area, it's going to fall here under size. Here I'll just enter the value of 1. Okay. And now the same exact formula that you saw that I had a moment ago here. I'll put that in there. I hit the tab key on my keyboard, and boom, look, width went gray. So everything was right. We had it all right. The one little thing was I had the wrong parameter type. Okay. And here I am. I'm looking up all that information for the remaining parameters. As you can see here, I've got size 1. And as soon as I hit apply, you'll see that the width and the depth also changed to 1. If I go look at this in 3D, same thing. It's hard to tell because it's cubic, but anyway, if I go to change it to 2, I type 2, hit the tab key on my keyboard, you'll notice that all the other parameters already updated. And if I hit apply, there's my width and my depth, and you can even see my extrusion already adapt. Okay? Same thing with 3. 3, tab, apply, there it is, right? And if I tried a value that doesn't exist, 4, you see that everything resets back to 1/2 inch, which is my fail scenario here. If everything fails, it's going to go to 1/2 inch. So anyway, that's what all I did is I deleted that old version of the size parameter, which was as text. I deleted it. I remade it so that it was a length. And now everything is working exactly like it's supposed to. Anyway, I'm sorry I couldn't get that while we were on together earlier today. I just needed literally like 5 minutes with it myself, and I was able to find out very quickly what the problem was. And of course it was me. It was not that Revit can't. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions. This should wrap up that case for you. And I'm going to provide for you my my file here, my RFA file. Thanks, Manuel.